Now we're going to learn another new sound. This is the letter B, and we're going to tap it and say the B sound, which is B. 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 Good job. Now we're going to play with some of the letters and sounds that we've already learned. So let's add an A to that, right? And then we will try those two together. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Ba. 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 Good. Say it fast. Ba. Ba. One more time. Ba. Good. That's ba. So let's put another sound on the end and see if we can make a word out of it. Are we ready? Tap and stretch. Bag. Good. Tap and stretch again. Bag. Tap and stretch one more time. Bag. Good. Say it fast like a word. Bag. 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 Oh, that was so easy for you. That was bag. Let's just change our vowel and see what happens. What if we put in an O instead? See what happens. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Bog. Bog. Tap and stretch one more time. Bog. Now say it fast. Bog. Say it fast again. Bog. Say it fast one more time. Bog. A bog is like a place in the swamps with lots of cloudy, dark areas, right? That would be a bog. What if we put another vowel in and change it again? Okay, let's tap and stretch and see what the new word is. Ready? Big. Tap and stretch. Big. Tap and stretch again. Big. Now say it fast like a word. Big. Yes, that's the word big. Big. Like you're a big person, right? All right, let's see what happens when we change our vowel again. Look at that. All we're doing is changing the vowel sound in the middle. We're making a whole new word every time. Let's tap and stretch. Bug. Tap and stretch again. Bug. Tap and stretch one more time. Bug. Now let's say it fast like a word. Bug. Bug. Say it fast. Bug. Yes, that's the word bug. Good job. All we did was change the vowel. Now what if we put our B at the end of a word? Let's see. We'll put the A in front of it. And we'll put a C in front of that. Okay, now let's see what word we made. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Cab. Tap and stretch again. Cab. Good. Tap and stretch one more time. Cab. Excellent. Now we're going to say it fast like a word. Cab. Say it fast. Cab. Say it fast again. Cab. Right, that could be the word cab as a taxi cab. It could be the first syllable of the word cabinet, right? All right, let's take this letter away and take that vowel away. And then we're going to put in a new vowel. and a new first sound. And we're going to see what word we made this time. Are you ready? Tap and stretch with me. Job. Good. Tap and stretch again. Job. Good. Tap and stretch one more time. Job. Now let's say it fast like a word. Job. Did you hear the word? Say it fast again. Job. One more time. Job. Yes, that's the word job. Like I have a job at the supermarket. All right, let's do a U in front of the B. And we're going to reuse our T. Okay. Are you ready to make a new word? Let's tap and stretch. Ready? Tub. Let's do it again. Tub. Do it again one more time. Tub. Good. Say it fast like a word. Tub. Tub. One more time. Tub. Yes, that's the word tub, like your bathtub. Good job. That is our letter B.